Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a horizontal video to vertical video with Filmora 11. Okay, so the software I'm going to use is Filmora 11. And if you want to try the software, I put the link in the description for you. Just download it and install it on your computer completely free. By the way, if you want to export the video without watermark, you need to purchase a license. Okay, so if you purchase the license, you can use all the features of the program. And don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code in the description also. Okay, let's go. Alright, so this is my Filmora 11, and the first thing we want to import our horizontal video to the software. I'm going to click import, and I'm going to use one of my video on another YouTube channel. So this is a piano cover. Okay, just select here and open, and also cancel the process. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to change your project setting. Okay, just click here to change your project setting. Just click this option, change project aspect ratio. Okay, and select vertical video, which is in portrait 9:16. For the resolution, I will keep it at 1080p. Okay, and for the frame rate, I want to select 24 frames per second, and let's click OK. And the next thing, you want to put the video on the timeline. Okay, just click this button, the plus button, to put it on the timeline, and select keep project setting. And this is a video, and I already mute it on the video so that I will not get a copyright strike on my YouTube channel. Okay, and this is a video. It is very small at the preview window. And now the first option is to use the crop function. All you need to do is to select the video here and then select this crop button, or you can press on C on your keyboard. By the way, I'm going to click here. And now you want to select the ratio here. Just click this menu and then change it to 9:16. And then you can adjust the frame right here to the position that you want to show on your video. Okay, for example, here I can play. I think it's nice, and let's click OK. And this is the vertical video. Very simple, right? This is the first way to convert a horizontal video to a vertical video with Filmora 11. And the second way, you can use the auto reframe option in the software. So let me show you how to do that. For example, we can go to the home screen, just click File and return to Startup window. Okay, so at the startup window, all you need to do is to click this option, auto reframe. Just click here, and there will be a new window for you. Then the next thing, you want to import the horizontal video. Okay, just click here, import, and select that video again. This is a widescreen video or horizontal video, and select open. And now you need to select the aspect ratio that you want to convert. Right here, we can select 9:16 or 1:1 or stuff like that. So I'm going to select 9:16, which is vertical video. Okay, and for the motion speed, I'm going to select auto. Otherwise, you can select fast or slow right here. Just select auto. And now we can click this option, analyze. Okay, and wait a few minutes for the program to analyze the frame or analyze the video. And I will fast forward this part. Okay, so when it is finished, you can preview the video. Very nice, right? And you can even adjust the frame manually. Just select the frame right here and then adjust at the position. And then it will create a new keyframe for you. So let's play it again. But for me, I just leave it by default, so I never change any frame right here, because otherwise it would be choppy, because it adjusts to this position and I adjust it to this position, so it moves unnaturally. Okay, and finally you want to click the export button so the program will export the video. Okay, just click here, export, and then you want to type a name, short video, piano cover. And you can also select a location to save your video also at this option. Okay, but now I'm going to click the export, and now it will create a vertical video for me. Okay, and wait a few minutes. Okay, and this is the exported video. Let's play it. Very nice, right? And if you want to do more with this video, you can import it to Filmora to add special effect and text and title and stuff like that. Alright, so that is how to convert a horizontal video to vertical video with Filmora 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.